Many people assume the TCL C6 Kelvins replaces the C755, but that's not quite true. Each has its own strengths. The C755 wins on picture quality, offering more local dimming zones for better black levels, less blooming, and improved shadow detail, especially in dark scenes. It's also slightly brighter, with more accurate colors and stronger built-in audio. Both models support all major HDR formats: Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10+, HLG, offer smooth motion, and run Google Television on Android 12. However, the C6 Kelvins shines in gaming and usability. It has two HDMI 2.1 ports supporting up to 144 Hz, customizable gaming features, and a more ergonomic remote. Its HA panel also delivers slightly better viewing angles, and the UI offers more customization. Final verdict: go for the C755 if picture quality is your top priority, but choose the C6 Kelvins if you want better gaming features, a more refined design, and a newer overall user experience. Do your own research first.